So when a customer walks through our door, they may come in for one item. It might be putting some speakers in a kitchen. It might be, I don't know, adding a new TV above their fireplace. But here at Audio Video Extremes, we want to give the customer something more to think about. For example, if I'm going into my master bedroom to go to bed, and my wife is there and she's like, I don't want to hear this noise, but I want to still finish listening to the news, I can take a pair of headphones that we provide for our customer. They can put them on and they can watch the news and listen to it through the headphones. But then in the morning, while we're getting ready or whatnot, we can turn the TV back on and the speakers in our ceiling above our bed will turn on to whatever we're watching or listening to or whatever we want to do. The biggest benefit is when a customer comes to Audio Video Extremes, we let them know the possibilities. Because most of the time, our client's imagination is truly our only limitation. You dream it up, we'll figure out how to make it happen for you.